Okay, I'm going to try a box of 2014 Topps Finest Baseball for myself. I've never broken this product, just kind of want to see what it's all about. 2 autos per box, and I think sometimes you get a bonus auto, but I think there's only 12 packs. Yeah, there's only 12 packs, which is kind of a bummer. If you like lots of packs, but we'll try a box of it. Two apple pies. This product was what, close to $100 a box when it came out. It's only 12 packs, not much to see here, but starting off with an Ozzie Smith Finest Vintage Refractor. It's kind of cool. Yasiel second year card. I'll just do piles. That's how I like to break. Inserts and then base. Need a little more room over here. Finest Sterling. It looks like kind of like a throwback type refractor of Bryce Harper. It's not numbered. Wilmer Flores rookie. And Marcus Semien. Longoria Finest Insert. Matt Davidson and Yu Darvish. Trout Finest Insert. I don't think these are very rare. Oh, that's nice. Trout, that must be a gold. You can barely tell though on these. That's the 50 though, 12 of 50. So back-to-back Trouts in this pack. And shoot. J.R. Murphy. That's a refractor. Yeah, refractor J.R. Murphy for the Yanks. And then we have I don't even know, some type of refractor, but it's Strasburg to 199. I don't like how they put that number in right to the top. It's almost like they forgot to, they're trying to like fit it on or something. Not bad so far at all. That's cool. Finest Warriors, Jose Abreu, kind of like a die cut. It's blue. These are not numbered. And then the base, you get a lot of rookies. There's a Rafael Montero. This is Tanaka rookie. That's cool. First hit. Nice. George Springer on card. That's just the base auto, not numbered. But still a nice looking card. George Springer for the Astros. He had a good year. So that's one of the hits. There's our second one, Eddie Butler. I pulled him in Topps Chrome. That's an X-Factor auto to 149. I like how everything is on card with this stuff. Eddie Butler, promising rookie for the Rockies. He didn't play that much in the majors, so this stuff's not bad at all. Maybe it's just a good box. I don't know. So those are my hits. The rest will probably be inserts because I've already hit a lot of numbered cards. X Factor Jose Abreu. Those are not numbered for the Blue Jays. Stroman rookie. Jason Hayward X Factor, not numbered. Even the base is nice in this product. There's a refractor of Stroman for the Blue Jays. Last pack. Goldschmidt refractor to top it off. So pretty good box. Here's the stacks, inserts and hits, and then base. Awesome box. Thanks a lot. I'll be breaking more. And if you want to break on the site, just log on, cardboardfeatures.com. Thanks.